Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. Here we go then. We are back with the results of close-up coins, and we'll start off then with the first of 8 in this video. The first coin then, definitely a fan favourite. It was the Sir Isaac Newton from 2017. Coin number 2, it was over the course of the Queen's Platinum Jubilee weekend. So this coin had to feature, and it is the Platinum Jubilee 50p coin. The next coin then was actually from the 2022 annual coin set, featuring the Birmingham 2022 Commonwealth Games. Sticking on the course of the Commonwealth Games theme, we've actually got the 2002 England Commonwealth Games £2 coin. Again, that one an absolute beauty. On to the Olympics we go, coin number 5, and it is the Olympic hockey. 2 hockey players in the middle with the Olympic logo and badge at the top. Coin number 6 is another Olympic, and it is actually the modern pentathlon. A really nice design on this one, and definitely one of my favourites. Coin number 7, definitely a tricky one, and maybe a coin that people might not have seen before. It's the Breast Cancer Support Gibraltar £2 coin. Again, another beauty. We finish off then with coin number 8. I did not give too much of this one away. And it is indeed the return of the Britannia on the £2 coin. Again, the Britannia featured on the 50p coin until 2008. If your comments didn't save, I really do apologise. From all of the comments that there in the YouTube section, we have got Squirreling Coins, Liam Roach, we have got Norman Graham, Smithy7890, Purple Fairy, Finkellex Coins, Andy Vickers and Wally Robson. A huge shout out then to the 8 names that managed to get them all correct. An amazing effort indeed. Definitely up the layer of difficulty, especially towards the end of the video. So if you did get any of them right though, you really have done well. There'll be another one of these coming up a little bit later on. Plenty of videos coming up today. I'm back from work now, and we really are going to catch up with all of the videos from the course of the weekend. Again, best of luck with your coin hunts this week. Stay safe, and as always guys, thanks for watching.